The clear leader in large flexible phones is Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold line. However, it automatically holds that title outside of China. Google has developed a foldable rival with the Pixel Fold that specifically solves some of Samsung's and Foldable's shortcomings. According to Google, more than 50 first-party applications have already been enhanced for use with gadgets like the Pixel Fold. Some of the improvements, such as YouTube's tabletop mode, have already been introduced. There are additional features here, though, as a result of being produced by the same company that makes Android. That even applies to third-party applications like WhatsApp, where you can drag and drop photographs from Google Photos to share them.